Donny Walker here. Paws is out swimming with Shelly in the kayak, or wasn't on the kayak. Now he's taking a stick. Dave's got 2 chickens on the spit there on the fire. He's roasting them up on the fire, homemade little unit. And they're watching NHL hockey. Any score yet?
Nope.
So that's what us Canadians do. We roast chickens on the open fire. We watch NHL hockey at the beach, on the TV on the motorhome. And Shelly plays in the water, and Fozzie. Donny Walker's just relaxing. Had a good day doing some biking, some hiking. And keep your saw on the wood, stick in the ice, rubbing around. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Bye now.